Okay, so this is the last and final step to our Tom Brady wings that we're surprising all of our guests tonight. Because you know what? They're either from the Colts, they're either from Green Bay, or they're either from Kansas City. So here's what we're going to do. I got some simple, and we're going to use this as a garnish. No need to wash. It's organic. It's been having its fun hanging out. So we're going to just line it just like that. Just like that. Because we want the top part of our football to be shown. We're proud Patriots fans. And Celtics. Oh, I'm sorry. And Red Sox. And Boston College. So, now that we have that done, let's get these puppies out of the way. We're going to line these up right here. Some simple crostinis that we've taken the liberty. And give our wings one more simple toss. Let those soak up all those habanero peppers and spices, and it's going to be so rewarding to dip in that ranch or blue cheese dressing or your favorite dressing in that fat. So we're going to pop that right there. Presentation. That's what it's all about. Presentation. Never mind the juice in the kitchen. No one will notice when you get out there. See how simple this is? It's a simple party platter, right? But it looks so cool because it's a football. I got my Tom Brady jersey on. About to go meet up with my friends in the living room, talk a little smack, get my game on, and then I'm just gonna look at this. All those juices sinking down. Look at that, the last piece. Do you see that? That goes. Oh my gosh. Phenomenal.